Ramadan Mubarak, everyone, to everybody who is celebrating over the world. I know I'm a bit late in posting this video. A lot of people who have already posted Ramadan videos. I know I'm a bit late, but it's alright. I'll still share my Ramadan grocery haul with you and show you how my first few fasts have been. Ramadan is the ninth month of Islamic calendar and the exact dates are very different every year. And that's because Islamic calendar is based on the moon sighting. It is not a usual English calendar. So that's the difference. I've come to a desi store in Manchester which is called the Worldwide Foods. And I always come to a desi store, especially before Ramadan, because I have to buy all the desi stuff, which brings me back to my culture and I enjoy this shopping a lot. So when you come here, you find a wide variety of brands from Pakistan, some brands from India as well. And it brings me close to my home. I'm just seeing ruafza right now, which is a staple in aftaris in Pakistan. And then I also saw this huge selection of honey. It was not part of my monthly grocery, but look at this. There's a honeycomb inside the jar. I don't know how pure this is. I've bought it. Let's just try it out. I found Tang juices in so many flavors, Shazan, and a lot of other brands as well. Slanty chips, if you have eaten them, let me know. I used to eat them in my childhood a lot. And these are namak pare. These are savory fried namak pare. I also got imli chutney. So there were two trips to the grocery store, one to the Desi one and one to Tesco. So from the Desi store, I got these roll samosa patties, cheese slices, pani puri, which is in its raw form. I'll fry it and it will become big golgappas. And then aloo puris. Oh my god, these are kachoris and these are yummy fried potato puris. You eat it with tarkari. Yum. I got 3 packets. I was just very happy. And then Punjabi samosa, which is basic aloo vegetable samosa. And then I also got imli chutney, nimco, because I could not find papri. And yeah, these ones. These are strainers. I got these big ones because I'm going to do a lot of frying in Ramadan. I'm going to fry pakoda, samosa, roll, everything. So I need these big strainers so I can fry them easily. And then I also got these dips and sauces. One is imli chutney, the other one is peri peri sauce, and of course the honey that I showed you. And I'll share my review. If I find it to be good, then you should also buy it out. This is pakoda mix, which I made at home. It's basically spices mixed with gram flour besan to make pakodas in Ramadan. It is really easy. Welcome to Ramadan day one, and I'm pouring fresh oil in the pan. The feeling of pouring fresh oil is amazing. Although we use oil a lot in this month, but the very first time when we are pouring oil, which is clean, neat, and fresh, the feeling is amazing. First iftari done. Now it's time to have tea. Normally people love to have tea, especially who are caffeine addict, who love chai, but I try to have it half an hour to 40 minutes after I've done my iftar. It's Ramadan day 2. I'm preparing iftari, and on the menu is aloo ke chips, peri peri chicken burgers, and some pakoras. These are very easy to make and very yummy. You can substitute them in place of fries. Since I was making burgers, I made these because these are also potato chips. The clock is ticking and I'm going to rush quickly to make the iftar because the time is ticking. It's almost iftar time and I have to rush now. Although I start on time, but making videos, changing angles, and cooking at the same time with a time limit is not easy. Iftari, it is at a certain time and you can't really delay it because you have to break your fast at a certain time. And that's what I'm doing right now. I am not focusing on the video, but on iftar. Now the kitchen is clean and I'm going to pray. And so this was my Ramadan vlog. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.